Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths chapter number 2 Operations on Large Numbers session 14. In previous lecture we have learned about exercise 2.3. Now we will learn about how to check the division and exercise 2.4. Now we can see how to check your work. In yesterday lecture, we learned about division. Now we learn how to check your work, means how to check your answer of division. So let's start. In order to check whether division was correct or not, we apply following formula. जब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, चेक करते हैं हमारा डिवीजन राइट हुआ है या नहीं, तो हम लोग कौन सी फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं जो नीचे दी गई है. नीचे देखिए, डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. हमें क्या फॉर्मूला दी गई है, हम लोग को क्या फाइंड करना होता है, इसमें डिविडेंड फाइंड करना होता है. तो हम किससे करते हैं, डिवाइजर मल्टीप्लाई क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. Let's see some example. We have 20 divided by 3. We have example of 20 divided by 3. So as we know, we write 20 here and 3 here. Now 3 की टेबल में 20 नहीं आता है, हमें पता है. उससे छोटा आता है 18. So 3 6 are 18. So when we subtract this, this comes 10 and this becomes 1. So it is 2 and it is 0. So this is our remainder, this is our quotient, this is our divisor, and this is our divider. Now, when we apply this formula, we have to find dividend, that is dividend. So, let's see here. Dividend equals to, what is the formula? Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divider multiply quotient plus remainder. So, here we divisor is 3, so we write here 3. Then we multiply quotient, here multiplies quotient is 6. In last we have plus remainder, this is remainder plus 2. Now as we know, we have to multiply first, so 3 multiply 6 is 18. And when we add 2, so it is 2. Now 18 plus 2 is 20 and it is our dividend. So that's how we can check the answer of division. Okay. Now division by 3-digit number. अब हम क्या सीख रहे हैं, डिवीजन 3-digit number से जो होते हैं वो वाले. In previous lecture we learn about 2-digit number, now we learn 3-digit number. So example are, divide 4,68,325 by 115. अब हम लोग को क्या नंबर दिया गया है इधर, 115. It is a 3-digit number. So as we see yesterday that 2-digit numbers table, now we learn how to learn 3-digit number. So in 3-digit number, here we are 1, 1 and 5. So we write table of 1, 1 and 5. Now at ones place of 115 table is 5. So we write at ones place which are in 5 table. So here it is 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. So it is in ones place of 115 tables also. Now we are see that there is no tens place. So we move to one table. It is 1 and again we move 1. So here. Next we have here it is tens place. So we add this and this. So it is 3. 1 and 2 is 3 and here it is 2. Next we have 1 and 3. So adding of 1 and 3 is 4 and 3 as it is. Next we have 4 and 2. So it is 6 and 4 as it is. Next we have 5 and 2. It is 7 and 5 as it is. Next we have 6 and 3. So it is 9 and we write 6 as it is. Next we have 3 and 7. But its addition is 10. So we write here 0 and 1 goes to carry here. So 1 and 7 is 8. Next we have 8 and 4. So it is 12. So we write 2 over here and 1 goes to carry. And so 1 and 8 is 9. Next we have 9 and 4. It is 13. So we write 3 here and 1 goes to carry. And 1 and 9 is 10. So we write here 10. Next we have 5 and 0. So we write 5 here and 1 and 0 is 1 and here remain 1 is as it is. So it is the table of 115. Now we come to the division section, that is here. We write 4,68,325 divided by 150. Now as we know this is a 3-digit number, so we first see 3 digits, that is 4, 6 and 8. So let's check that 468 and 468 is coming in 115 table. Here is 460 which is lesser than 468 and it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So we write 4 here and 460 here. Now we subtract this by this. So 8 subtract 0 is 8, 6 subtract 6 0, 4 subtract 4 is 0. Now we take 3 here. So it is a 2-digit number. So we put 1 0 here. So can 2 comes down. Next number is 832. So let's check 832 here. Here it is 805. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So we write 7 here and 805 here. Now we subtract. We want to borrow. This become 12. This become 2. So 12 subtract 5 is 7. 2 subtract 0 is 2 and 8 subtract 8 is 0. Next number we have 5. So we take 5 here. So we check here 275. So here is 230. So it is in 2 times, that is 230. So we subtract 5, 4 and 0. So that's how we solve the sum. As we know, this is quotient, this is dividend, this is remainder, and this is divisor. Okay. Now let's start exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Divide and check the answers in each of the following. हमें जो नंबर्स दिए गए हैं उनको क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है और उसके बाद चेक द आंसर्स यानी उसके आंसर्स को चेक करना है. So let's start. A, we have 8,52,782 divided by 72. So here it is a two-digit number. As we see that two-digit number, how to learn table of it. So let's start. Here it is table of 7 and here the table of 2. So we want table of 72. So we write table of 72. So at ones place, ones place is coming. So it is ones place. So we write ones place of 2 in 72's table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So it is a ones place of 72 table. Next we have tens place here. No, there is no tens place. So we write directly 7. Here it is also not no tens place. So we write directly 14. Next here it is also not tens place. So we write 21. Next here no tens place. So we write 28. Here it is tens place, that is 1. So we add 35 and 1. So it is 36. Next we have 42 and 1. So it is 43. Next we have 49 and 1. It is 50. Next we have 56 and 1. So it is 57. Next we have 63 and 1. It is 64. Next we have 70 and 2. So it is 72. So it is the table of 72. Now we can easily divide these numbers. So here it is. We write 8,52,782 divided by 72. So as we know this is a two-digit number. So we first see two digits. It is 85. 85 is greater than 72. So let's check there. Here is 72 which is less than 85. So it is 1 times and it is 72. So we subtract this. 5 subtract 2 is 3 and 8 subtract 7 is 1. So now we take 2 here. So it is 132. Now check there 132. But 72 is smaller than 132. So again we take 1's time 72. Now 2 subtract 2 is 0. 3 is smaller than 7. So we borrow. It is 13 and it is 0. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Now we take 7 here. This is 607. Now we check 607. It is here 576 which is smaller than 607. Now count the times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So we write 8 here and 576 here. Now we subtract this. 7 subtract 6 is 1. 0 subtract 7 is not possible. So we borrow. Here 10 and here 5. Now 10 subtract 7 is 3 and 5 subtract 5 is 0. Next we have 8. So we write over 8. Now check 318. So 288 is smaller than 318. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is in 4 times. What we have? 288. Now we subtract this. 8 subtract 8 is 0. 1 subtract 8 is not possible. So we borrow 11 here and here 2. Now 11 subtract 8 is 3 and 2 subtract 2 is 0 and in last we take 2 here. Next 302. So we check again. It is again 288. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So we write 4 times 288. So now we subtract this. 2 subtract 8 is not possible. So we borrow. This become 12. This become 9 and this become 2. So 12 subtract 8 is 4 and 9 subtract 8 is 1 and 2 subtract 2 is 0. So it is our remainder which is smaller than 72. Now as we know, this is quotient, this is dividend, this is remainder and this is divisor. Now let's see check the answer. For check the answer, we have a formula that dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now we have a divisor, so divisor is 72. Next we have quotient. Quotient is our 11,844. 11,844 and lastly remainder is 14. So we write here 14. So as we know, multiplication of 72 and 11,844 is 8,52,768. Now we add 14. So when we add 14, so addition of 14 with 8,52,768 is 8,52,782. So as we know, that is the dividend is here and let's check, it is also here 8,52,782, 8,52,782. So that's how we can check the answer of division. Okay. Now question number 2, divide and check the answers in each of the following. अब हमें क्या सीखना है कि हम लोग डिवाइड करना है और उसके आंसर्स चेक करने हैं. Our question is 4,56,893 divided by 125. हमको क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है 125 से, which is 3-digit number. So as we learn that 3-digit number table, how to create that. So we write here the 3-digit number, that is 125's table. So let's start. We have 4,56,893 divided by 125. So let's start. This is 3-digit number. So first we check 3 digits, 4, 5 and 6. That is 456. Now check there, 456. No, 375 is smaller. So 1, 2, 3. 3 times 375. Next we have to subtract this. 6 subtract 5 is 1. 5 subtract 7 is not possible. So we borrow. That is 15 and this is 3. So 15 subtract 7. So it is 8 and 3 subtract 3 is 0. Next we have 8. So we write here 8. 818. Now check here 818. That is 750 is smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 750. 8 subtract 0 is 8. 1 subtract 5 is not possible. So we borrow 11 and this becomes 7. 11 subtract 5 is 6 and 7 subtract 7 is 0. Next we have 9. So we write here 9. Now our number is 689. So we check. Here it is 625. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 625. Now we subtract here. 9 subtract 5 is 4. 8 subtract 2 is 6. And 6 subtract 6 is 0. Last we have 3. So we write here 3. The number are 643. So 643 again 625. It is in 5 times. So we write here 5 and here it is 625. Now we subtract 3 subtract 5 is not possible, so we borrow 13 and this become 3. 13 subtract 5 is our 8 and 3 subtract 2 is 1 and 6 subtract 6 is 0. So our remainder is 18 and quotient is 3655. Dividend and divisor we know. Now we have to check the answer. So how we check? That we have formula dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now let's check that is divisor. So divisor is our 125. Quotient is our 3655. That is 3655. And in the last plus remainder it is 18. So multiplication of 125 and 3655 is 4,56,875. And when we add 18, so we can get 4,56,893. So it is our dividend also. Let's see, 4,56,893. So that's how we can check the answer of division. Okay. Thank you.